Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bianca. Today I have some Christmas DIYs along with decorating with those DIYs plus other things that I have. I'm really excited for today's video because I usually do Dollar Tree DIYs, as you guys know, but these DIYs are also budget friendly, so you don't always have to shop at Dollar Tree and not spend so much. You can do it other ways as well. So I'm happy to show y'all that today. The first thing I'm going to do, I have this envision of what I want to put on each side of my fireplace, so I'm going to let you know what I have in mind and we'll get started with that first DIY. So I have these two lightly flocked glittery wreaths from Walmart, maybe like a medium size. They're not really that big. They were about $13 each. What I want to do is use this ribbon and hang it up on each side of the fireplace. Okay, so I found a couple of branches, just broke them down to the size I needed, and of course they don't have to be exactly the same, but they're somewhat. And what I picked up was some Morton kosher salt, and it was so cheap. Look how big this is, a 16 ounce for only $1.67 I believe. And then I have my Mod Podge that I already had on hand. If you need to buy some, you can pick up a big one like this for I believe $5 to $7 at Walmart, or you can buy a little bottle from Dollar Tree. I have the Mod Podge and the salt on the caps. I'm just taking a sponge brush and I'm just gonna add some to the top where I want the salt to go, or the snow to basically look like the snow fell on top of this. Kind of like using glitter. And I'm taking these Dollar Tree picks. I'm gonna take some of these berries off, glue them with my hot glue gun. And I did add some of that salt or snow to the berries. I decided not to use that ribbon, but you could use ribbon and have it, the wreath, hang lower. And here's the other one by the tree. I just love the way it came out. Yeah, it's just really pretty. Now for the mantle, I purchased this really pretty sign. It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas," and it just reminds me of that song. And it was really affordable, only $17. It is a really long sign. And what I'm gonna do is take some of that command strip or scotch strips, put it behind there and just stick it right in the middle of the fireplace. All right, I already had these two trees, which I don't remember where they're from, maybe Target, I'm not sure, but today I bought this one. This one is double the size and of course more full. I got it from Marshall's and it was 13 bucks. Now I have these white snow blankets from the Dollar Tree that I'm gonna add. And then I'll be putting this up here. This is a piece that I bought a few years ago. I think my grandma bought it for me a few years ago at Walmart. To really make it more my taste, I'm adding these flocked little branches from Hobby Lobby. They were, I think, 99 cents, but I got them on sale for 50 cents because everything is half off right now. For the stockings, I'm gonna make 6 of them. I have this pattern that I printed out off of Pinterest. I will link it below in case you guys want to use it. And then I have this really pretty vintagey fabric that I absolutely love. I just got this from Hobby Lobby yesterday. Originally, it was $4.99 for a yard, but it was 40% off all of the fabric, so I got it for $3, which is a really good deal. So I'm definitely gonna go back and get way more so I can make just different things and maybe pillows as well for Christmas. Just watched Ashley Hughes. She just came out with a video. I absolutely love her videos. Her YouTube name is Hanging with the Hughes. She came out with the video and she made her own stockings, and I thought that is such a smart idea to make my own, because I was gonna go and spend 80 bucks on 6 stockings when I could just pay $3 for 6 of them. Alrighty, now I can add some pom-poms to this. I'm gonna add the little red, maybe white, I don't know yet. These are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using some jute twine from Dollar Tree as well that I've already been having. I put green for the boys, which is my husband, and then for my son. So I thought that was kind of funny and cute. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this to hang them. And I've learned from a lot of other YouTubers to just take grocery bags and add it inside just to give it a fuller look. Alright Alright you guys, what I want to do is go ahead and make some tags for the stockings. I decided to go ahead and do that, and what I have right here is some Hobby Lobby scrap paper. I told you all guys, I think in my last video, that they have a sale quite often where you get 4 for $1. So I have a lot right here, just different ones, and what I want to do is use the scrap paper for like the background, and then I also have some cardstock right here to actually write the name on it. Now I'm gonna freehand the name on here, and you can go ahead and, if you don't want to do that, I was also debating if I should use the computer and just print it out, but I don't mind it. Or I'm gonna turn it around and use this side. I don't want to mark the other side with my pen. And then I just added a little bit of hot glue to the corner and glue it right here. I did it like that because if I would have decided to add tags before, added the pom-poms and the twine, then I could have figured out a different way to put the tag on the twine and then arrange the pom-poms differently. But it's okay like that. I think it looks cute still. So of course it's cuter with it saying mommy and daddy, so I switched those out. The last thing I'm adding is that magazine holder that I found at a thrift store. I'm just gonna put a pillow behind it. This is just an old Walmart pillow. If you guys remember this, this came in a 3-pack from Walmart. I have the other 2 on my shutters. I'll show you guys in a minute. I recently found some old books from the thrift store. Every time I go to the thrift store, it is always a hunt for me when I go to the book section, because I love finding old books because they fill in a lot of space. Oops, I have flock and glitter all over my floor. So those are the other 2 wreaths. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Ask me any questions in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video.